My name's Quinton RIchards and I'm the founder of a company called Verenigma. Verenigma analyses the sounds of voices in conversation in order to be able to determine the amount of affect or emotion in those voices. The purpose of which is to analyse the degree of stress suffered in particular situations, particularly in the elderly care market, and the interaction or relationship between carers and their charges. Verenigma is the only company that attempts to analyse that relationship of care in terms of the degree of stress suffered or tranquility of the people in that interaction. And to that extent, we're doing something that's absolutely novel, using technology that's only been developed in the last 2 or 3 years. We'd only undertaken an anecdotal search amongst our friends, the usual people close by and trusted advisors, but that's no substitute for going out to the market and finding out what people actually thought of the value of this system, the extent to which people would be prepared to pay for it, which we had an idea of, but it was totally anecdotal. So when we undertook this research, we went to Survey Mechanics to undertake this, who helped frame the questions and to clarify some of the issues in our own minds of what needed to be identified and ascertained for value. The market research brought us closer to the market. It's actually a journey that everybody needs to make. The answers that we found were ones that we could directly use to take us on our next stage in the journey of getting to market. In terms of the market research, what was very pleasing about it is our pricing model we'd substantially undervalued, and that correspondingly that we could raise our sights as to what we could provide. And the important thing is not to leave the product underpriced.